Why does calling the KFold generator with shuffle give the same indices? With scikit-learn, when you create a new KFold object and shuffle is true, it'll produce the different, newly randomized fold indices. However, every generator from a given KFold object gives the same indices for each fold even when shuffle is true. Why does it work like this? Example. Output. This question was motivated by a comment on this answer. I decided to split it into a new question to prevent that answer from becoming too long.
A new iteration with the same KFold object will not reshuffle the indices. That only happens during instantiation of the object. KFold never sees the data but knows number of samples, so it uses that to shuffle the indices. From the code during instantiation of KFold. Each time a generator is called to iterate through the indices of each fold, it will use same shuffled indices and divide them the same way. Take a look at the code for the base class of KFold underscore partition iterator with underscore meta class, abmeta, where underscore underscore iter underscore underscore is defined. The underscore underscore iter underscore underscore method in the base class calls underscore iter underscore test underscore indices in KFold to divide and yield the train and test indices for each fold.
With new version of scikit-learn by calling from scikit-learn.model_selection import KFold, KFold generator with shuffle give the different indices. Out. Alternatively, the code below iteratively generates same result. Out.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.